We're going to start a tutorial how to create a Halloween neon video. The first thing to do is to go to design and type here spooky. Then here we go. This one here. We're going to use this as a template, but we're going to make some changes. All right. The first thing that is I don't like the video like this one is okay, but it has some music. So I'm going to eliminate the music that it has and click here. That's it. I deleted that. The second thing is that I don't like very much this video, so I'm gonna make some changes. Let's get 5 seconds, not 7. And I'm gonna go to click on the video, go to edit, and then make some contrast here. That's it. Saturation like this. And maybe I can change the color here, like this one. Yep, something like that, whatever, you like it. Let's see. Alright, I think it's better like that. Could be the original blue color, but I like this one as well. All right. Now, I want to make some little changes here. Get your this count, okay. And I don't like this font, so let's go here. Click on the text here. Click here, top, and mm, search cookie. And I'm going to okay. I'm going to just make some changes like this one. All right. And let me just change the size of this. No, that could be bigger. Okay. Now I need to um I need to change this here. I want to make it like neon style. So how do I do that? Okay, first click on the text, go to edit and scroll down to outline. And I don't like this color, so I'm going to change it. Okay, that's fine. All right. Let me just change the size. Oh, much better. Beautiful. That's it. I'm going to leave it like that, but I'm going to the timeline and I'm going to duplicate this. Let me just move this bar to the left, like this one. Okay. I'm going to duplicate it like this. All right. I'm going to place it like here. Okay. And oops, just let me just change this. I have the second text that I need to place it on top. So it's going to be the same. Okay, like this one is okay. Place it like here. Then I'm going to click here and duplicate it again. Placed on top of this text. Okay. And this text, move it a little bit to the right. And I need to go to edit. Click on outline. Fill text. Click here. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to duplicate it again. Okay, just let me, all right. Duplicate it again, place it on top, good. And I'm going to move it to the right here. Just let me this here, and then move this kind of here. Okay, could be like that. Let's see what happens. Yeah, not bad. I just need to move the texts that are not totally aligned, but it's okay. I got the idea. All right. I'm going to just change the duration of the videos. Kind of that. Okay, much better like this. Oh, it is. Okay. All right. I just need to change the position of the text that are not totally aligned. This one is okay, okay. Not this one, not good. A little bit to the left. With the arrows, I change it a little bit. Continue. This one is going to be to the right. I'm not going to do it totally perfect today because I'm in a hurry, and you got the idea. All right. See, that's it. That's our Halloween neon video. All right, let me just hide this again. Yep. All right. Not totally perfect, but you get the idea. That's how you do it. This is how you create a neon style Halloween video. Not that complicated. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.